Take a ride in the 2024 Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a rear-wheel drive compact car styled with a long hood, fastback roof, and short deck for a sleek, curvaceous design. Its muscle car-themed trim package includes a distinct hood and spacious interior. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, LED headlights, tires rear all season, privacy glass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.